Hey everyone, so are you thinking that you would like to manage money, maybe professionally? Do you have a strategy that you're dying to test, and if only you had $1 million? Well, I've made a game for us to test our skills in as close to a real world simulation as possible. So join the inaugural Money Managers game where your ability to manage money is going to be put to the test. There's a Discord link to join, and that's in the description, where you will be able to access the step-by-step setup document, and you will need to be in this Discord group to be part of the game and be able to see the results. So here's how it works. You're going to get $1 million to start, and we're all going to start at the same month. We're going to try to start in August. Any time in the month is fine to start. So if you start on the 10th of August or the 31st of August, that's all fine. So the cool thing is we're going to have access to a large investing universe to play with. So there's many different exchanges throughout the world, different products like crypto and options as well. Essentially, it is just like a normal interactive broker's account. So you can do whatever strategy you like in this game. So you can do long-term deep value, growth at a reasonable price, micro-cap investing, momentum investing, crypto, short selling, indexing, or just keep it all in cash. You can do whatever you like. Now, prizes. So we are playing the game for the challenge, not the outcome. So learning is the reward here. But yeah, there will be some secret prizes. Now, I thought about publishing the results every, say, 6 months, but essentially I'm going to run it indefinitely. It's a practice ground for testing strategies to see what would happen, like having an alternate reality that we can measure. I'll have a setup guide to help you get the account organized. It's all completely free. Interactive brokers are actually helping me out here by allowing us to have this indefinite paper trading account. The setup guide will be shared in the Discord group. Yes, you can invite your friends and anyone else you like. Please go ahead, just share this video with them and so they can get the information. It's open to anyone and everyone as long as they respect the game. Now, speaking of respecting this game, I want you to think about it by imagining it is your family's money, maybe your mum or dad's money. It is a big responsibility to take care of it. It's not just your money to gamble with. So the idea is that you want to test yourself as a good money manager, and a good money manager treats other people's money with respect. So putting all your $1 million on a Tesla short, just hoping for the huge win, well, it's gambling, and we are trying to test reliable strategies here that can be repeatable and taught to one another. So these are the expectations. This will hopefully make everything more fun and more meaningful. Now, regarding prizes, look, don't expect some big jackpot or anything. The monetary value of these prizes will be very low, but we will assign sentimental value to the prizes. We are playing for the lessons learned, the fun of the game, the fun of the competition, and to develop a track record for ourselves. So the prizes will be extremely valuable because we will all put such high levels of sentimental value on them. So here are some final things. The 2022 edition of this game starts in August, so make sure you have joined the Discord group in the link in the description here under this video. Follow the step-by-step guide to getting your account ready. It might take a few business days. Now, if you are late to the party, I would like to start a new competition in 2023, but I'm not exactly sure if or when. I'll be posting it here on my YouTube channel when that new competition will start. So if you are late, we will hopefully do it again. Now, if I've missed anything and you have any further questions about the competition, you can write them in the Discord group. I'll answer it for everybody there. All right, this will be fun, plus a great way to learn, and feel free to share this with whoever. See you soon.